AI Affiliate Mastery: The Future of Earning. Affiliate marketing is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making a big impact. AI offers powerful tools for affiliate marketers. These tools can boost your earnings in 2024 and beyond. AI can analyze large amounts of data, which helps you understand your audience better. You can see what products they want and learn where they spend their time online. This information helps you target your marketing efforts more effectively. AI can also automate tasks, saving you time and effort. You can use AI to find the best affiliate programs, create high-quality content, and even manage your social media. With AI, you can work smarter, not harder. You can make data-driven decisions that will help you maximize your affiliate earnings. Let's explore how AI can take your affiliate marketing to the next level. AI tools provide valuable data insights, which are crucial for affiliate marketers. AI can track website traffic, conversions, and customer behavior. This data helps you understand what's working and what's not. Imagine you're promoting a fitness product. AI can analyze data to identify your target audience. Are they fitness enthusiasts or beginners? What are their interests and demographics? AI can uncover these insights. With this information, you can optimize your marketing campaigns. You can create targeted ads that resonate with your audience. You can personalize your website content to appeal to specific customer segments. AI-powered analytics empower you to make data-driven decisions. This leads to higher click-through rates, increased conversions, and ultimately, more affiliate earnings. AI in action: real-world success with affiliate marketing. Let's look at a hypothetical example. Sarah is an affiliate marketer promoting travel packages. She starts using an AI tool to analyze her website data. The AI tool identifies a trend. Visitors who read blog posts about budget travel are more likely to click on her affiliate links for affordable hotel deals. Based on this insight, Sarah focuses her content strategy. She creates more blog posts about budget travel tips and destinations. She tailors her affiliate links to promote budget-friendly travel options. As a result, her website traffic and conversions increase significantly. This is just one example of how AI can boost affiliate earnings. By leveraging AI tools, marketers can identify profitable niches, optimize their content, and personalize their marketing messages. This leads to higher engagement, more conversions, and ultimately, greater success in affiliate marketing. The future of affiliate marketing is here. AI is transforming the industry. It's no longer a luxury but a necessity for affiliate marketers who want to stay ahead of the curve. AI-powered tools will become even more sophisticated and accessible. Imagine AI tools that can write entire blog posts for you. Picture AI algorithms that can predict the next big product trend. These advancements are within reach. By embracing AI, affiliate marketers can unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth and profitability. The key is to stay informed and adapt to the evolving landscape. Embrace the power of AI and witness your affiliate earnings soar to new heights. The future of affiliate marketing is bright and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind in the dust. Embrace AI and revolutionize your affiliate marketing strategy today. Share this valuable information. Let's empower each other to achieve unprecedented success in the world of affiliate marketing. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, let's unlock the full potential of AI and maximize our earnings in 2024 and beyond.